Everyone, Mike here from PawnMate. In this video, I'm going to share with you just a summary of our loyalty points module, which has been a big hit. And so I want to share that with you. So first, I'm just going to go ahead and look up my name and show you that we will show the points value in green if they are enrolled. So you can see the campaign I have set up is 1 point for $1. So if I hover over that, you can see my points total, my maximum value, and the date that I joined. Okay. Now, if I click, let me put employee PIN number for. If I click that points value, you can see it comes up here with I can manually add loyalty points. So what I'm calling mine is Pawn Perks, but you can name it anything you want. I can subtract. I can convert to store credit, I can transfer it to another customer, and I can unenroll the customer right here. Okay, so just wanted to let you know that. Also, under customer history and under loyalty points, you can see the log or history of all the transactions of when I earned points. The transaction, customer name, Pawn Perks earned, any notes I have on there. And you'll see when I return and when I redeem, and I did a customer transfer here, and then I converted to a store credit. And you can see when I removed manually or added manually. So you can see all that on the checkout screen. So here's some flexibility that you have. I'm just going to go into admin, and I'm going to go to loyalty program, and you have general settings here. This is where you set the module on or off. This will give you your redemption calculation. So as I said, you get 1 Pawn Perk for $1. How can I redeem based on redemption increments of 1? Minimum number of Pawn Perks required to redeem per transaction is 1. And here is where the transaction types that will allow Pawn Perks to be used as payment. So you can use Pawn Perks as payment right here for retail sales, for layaway payments, for pawn payments if you want, and for repair payments. Again, if I didn't want pawn payments to be used, I could just move that over to the gray. Okay. Here's where you can allow customers to view Pawn Perks history on FastPawn. And if you require a manager PIN to edit customer loyalty points on the checkout screen. We have a landing page here that you can design to send customers to explain your program. So that's really cool. That's under general settings. So let's just go over to loyalty points and go to enrollment settings. So this is the enrollment settings part. This is where you could give a monthly goal to your team on how many you want them to sign up. You can also give a bonus perks to people for enrolling. You have options here for new customers, send enrollment requests, email and SMS. Email only, SMS only, auto enroll or do not enroll. SMS enrollment code, so a text could go out, and for them to join, they just type in this code. Here is the enrollment message, the enrollment reply, and then down here is the email and the landing page. Okay. And then you have loyalty points per enrollment existing customers. You can auto enroll all your existing customers. And then if a customer wants to know how many points they have, they can just go ahead and text that word into the store, and an auto reply will be sent over. And if they're not enrolled, this is what will be sent over as well. So a lot of flexibility here. And then the magic comes when you're creating campaigns. So here are all my active campaigns: created date, employee that created it, campaign name, transaction type, source, and Pawn Perks. If there's a time frame limit, what's active, and then we have here edit, revision, and delete. You can also copy a current campaign, and then we can go ahead and add new. This is just a filter, show active, non-active, active, and non-active, and deleted. So I'm just going to quickly add a new one. So you put in your employee PIN, campaign name, test. You can select the transaction. So let's say I want to do it on retail sale or on a pawn payment. So if I click renewal, you can see here the source, in-store, fast pawn, dollar threshold, interest fees. Here are the Pawn Perks of what you can earn. You can round to nearest number up or down. You can have a start and end date, start time, end time. You can have a daily reoccurrence. So you can, create a campaign where you're giving double the points on your slow days like Tuesdays, or double the points on, this month, or maybe you have a campaign that is Christmas in July. You can start it on a specific date, and you can have a date range as well. Once you're good to go, you click save and you have it. There you can go ahead and start earning the points, or the customers can start earning the points. Let's go ahead and use points just to show you how to use points. I'm just going to buy something here. So amount due is 950. You can see I have a points payment type right here. So I can just click that box. And how many points do I want to use? So let's just use 500. You can go ahead and use maximum too. It's going to take the maximum, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to go 500. Click OK. And now the customer owes $450. Maybe they want to go ahead and use cash. So that's exactly how you use pawn points in the system. That's the module. A little more detail into it, but I can cover that next time in a video. If you have any comments, make them below. Other than that, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.